Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Daritriyam, currently the PC of CSC department. I know a lot of you have a lot of questions regarding placements and how to prepare for interview. Well, very not. Today we are here to answer all of your questions. We're very lucky to have with us one of our seniors, Chetan, who is currently studying in 4th year mechanical department. Hello Chetan, a warm welcome to you for our channel. And he is currently placed in LAM research, so congratulations on that. So throughout the session, we will be interacting with him and we'll hopefully try to find answers about how to crack the interview to ensure that you all get placed in LAM research company. So to start with Chetan, how would you describe LAM research company to our viewers?
So Lam Research is a wafer fabrication equipment provider company. It basically provides machines to companies such as Intel, which Intel uses machines to manufacture processors.
So Chetan, could you describe the recruitment process to our viewers and which part of the interview did you enjoy the most?
So basically, it's a three-step process where in the first step you'll have a resume-based as well as a test which consists of aptitude and technical questions. Many students will be shortlisted on this, based on this, and then you'll have a technical interview of around 1.5 hours. And then, if you clear the technical interview, you'll have an HR interview of 90 minutes.
Okay. So which part was very interesting for you?
I liked the technical interview part, where a lot of knowledge was exchanged between the interviewer and me. It was a new experience.
Okay. So when do you think is the right time to start preparing for this company?
It basically depends on your projects which you have completed during your second and third year of your engineering. So it's better if you start working on your projects on from second year, and then for the recruitment, like regarding the the technical exam part and all MCQs, 3 to 4 months of preparation.
Okay. So projects as well count a lot for getting into this.
Yes.
Okay. So can you name a few subjects, talking about technical part, can you name a few subjects that are very important, like academic subjects, that our viewers should absolutely know about for getting placed in this particular company?
Coming to mechanical core companies, every subject from third semester to sixth semester is important. Try focusing on one subject each from thermal, design and manufacturing part. Be thorough in at least 3 to 4 subjects, so that even if the interviewer asks you your favorite subjects to ask questions from, you'll be on a safe person.
Okay, that is amazing. So was there any difficulties that you faced during the interview process or preparation, and what did you do to overcome those difficulties?
Okay, then coming to the technical interview part, every interview you attend, you'll get a new type of question which you'll have no idea how to answer. So it's good if you try to pick up some technical word from that question and try to proceed in some or the other way. And if you are proceeding in the correct way, the interviewer will try giving you hints on how to get the answer. And finally, like when the interviewer asks you a question, you'll not be knowing anything about it, but somehow you'll end up getting the answer.
So instead of just blindly saying that you don't know the question, just pick up a few keywords and follow in that questions, and you at the end you build up your answer, you get your answer. Okay.
So basically, you need to show the interviewer what you know and not what
you don't know. Okay. So that's some good advice. Could you recommend some books or websites that might help your juniors or us to prepare for LAM research?
So if you want to brush up all the subjects from third to sixth semester, it's better to watch various courses from edX and Coursera. And then you can audit the courses for free. So you can complete one subject within a week, and 3 to 4 months of preparation is enough to cover the complete subject.
So there are a lot of courses which do give you certificates. Are certificates important when it comes to your resume building and getting into the company?
Certificates will only help you if you do some projects based on that.
Okay.
Even if you learn, say you learn ANSYS or you learn SolidWorks, if you don't do any project using that, then there's no.
So, last but not the least, what is your advice for us youngsters out there who are preparing to join land research as well?
So by the time of like 3 to 4 months before your recruitment process, keep your projects ready, keep your resume ready. Even if you have complete technical like knowledge, without aptitude you won't be shortlisted. So aptitude also is very important, and you need to have a good spoken English.
Thank you so much for talking with us, Chetan. I think a lot of our viewers have got an insight into how to crack the interview, and I'm sure that they'll follow in your footsteps and get placed in this company as well. Thank you.